Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1. And also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Here I have my red kidney beans already cooked. I cooked this in the pressure cooker for roughly about 30 to 35 minutes. And surprisingly, it cooked very fast. Some of them tend to take a little longer while to cook, but this one was really easy to cook, all right? And then I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk, and I picked the coconut off the tree and I ox it out, and then I just went ahead and blend, and I decided that, listen, I need some rich rice and peas today, all right? So now I'm gonna go in and add my salt, and I will also go ahead and add some butter to this. Not a lot of butter though. If you guys don't have the butter at home, you can always add a little bit of vegetable oil, or if you have extra virgin oil at home, you can always add a little to it, all right? And then I'm gonna add my French thyme, my scallion, and also my Scotch bonnet pepper. And guess what? All of these are from my backyard. So you see, that's a good thing. Then we're going to combine everything together and allow this to just cook down a little, because you always want to ensure that the coconut milk is cooked properly. So while this is cooking, I suggest that you go ahead and just wash your rice, so that once it's finished cooking, you just go ahead and add the rice, all right? All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home, all right? So this is what it should look like. So we're just gonna add the rice and combine everything together, and I turned my stove on medium heat. And you always want to ensure that you combine everything together once you add the rice, all right? Or the peas will settle on top, and you don't want that. You want the peas to be in the rice and peas, as it says, rice and peas, all right? You want it to be evenly distributed. So once you combine everything together, just cover it until most of the water is dried out of your rice. You come back and put a piece of foil paper over it, and when you add the foil paper over your rice, you need to just turn it down on low heat and allow it to steam, all right? That way your rice will be shelly and nice, all right? We don't want any plaka rice around here. We want our rice to be really shelly and nice, all right? So this is what I'm talking about. Cover it, and then you just leave it to just do its thing, all right? And also, guys, please be sure to add a little bit of water on top of the foil paper, all right? So this is it after I finished cooking, and this took me roughly about 20 minutes. Very easy, very simple. 20 minutes though to cook the rice. It was really easy, really simple. As I said before, I had already pressured the peas for 30 to 35 minutes. So that is out of it. We're just talking about how long it takes to cook the rice. I find that cooking rice for me is really simple and easy. And when I'm cooking rice and peas, I like to just turn on the stove on low heat, just cover it and just let it stay there, because if you turn it up too high, then your rice is going to burn. So I like to just allow it to just do its thing. Just put the cover on and just leave it there, all right? So we're just gonna serve this up and basically show you guys the final product. So stay tuned, guys, to see the final product of this amazing rice and peas, and let me know what you think in the comment section, all right, about this amazing rice and peas, and let me know what you guys would have it with, all right? And also let me know if you like to cook rice and peas, because I like to cook rice and peas, all right? And there you have it, guys, the final product of this amazing authentic rice and peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye, guys.